The Nevins Fellows program, I really believe, is directly connected to the future of democracy in our country.
Everything with the Nevins Fellowship is about bringing people back into the system and kind of restoring that hope that we all want to see in our politics. That's really what has driven me to not just be a Nevins Fellow, but to continue on this path of civic engagement.
What attracted me to the Nevins Fellow program was I wanted to learn about how to reinstill hope in democracy, which is what the class and the entire program is about. And I was really attracted to the idea of I would learn things in a classroom and then be allowed to apply that in an actual internship. My internship experience and my class experience have changed my view on politics in the sense that it's actually inspired me to go further in the process. It did allow me to understand that there's more than one way to get involved in politics and to actually make a difference.
From my internship, I took away a lot of learning with a civic ambassadors program, which was what I focused the most on, and getting ordinary people within their communities to be leaders in civic engagement and community engagement within their communities and working on specific problems that pertain to the people who live there instead of these broad issues.
The organizations who hire Nevins Fellows actually are looking for a real diversity of students. I'm excited when the Nevins Fellows include not only students from the liberal arts, but also students from engineering or the sciences or business. It can really be a transformational experience for the student in terms of thinking differently about college and what they hope to get out of it. In 10 years, I could really see a network of these programs around the country, not just coexisting, but actually collaborating. Imagine if there was a network of students who had these same experiences and went on to lead their lives, very diverse and interesting lives. I think it would be powerful to have this network across this country, and that's what's exciting about really spreading the Nevins Fellows idea to other campuses. That was always the intention from the beginning, was just to create a model program that can inspire other campuses to create the same program and give similar opportunities to students in every part of the country.
I just truly believe that more young people getting involved in the political process is essential for the evolution of democracy in our country. Despite my optimism, I can't say with certainty that the work that we are doing here will really make any change. But I can say one thing with 100% certainty, that if no one tries, if no one gets involved, change will never happen.